Kumusta mo na yung kanina? Parang masama yung na-injure ka ba?
Hindi, tinamaan. Pero inisip ko si Ranidal eh, kasi tinamaan ko yung tuhod na eh. Tinamaan ako dito. Sakit na. Parang hindi kagad ako nakahinga. Pero okay naman. Buhay pa naman.
Buhay pa yung streak.
Malay sa bituka. Hindi, ang ilalala ko si Ranidal kasi medyo tinamaan yung tuhod niya, medyo pangit yung pagkatao. Bukas pa masakit. Okay naman.
Wala namang concerns.
Wala naman. Wala, hindi. Wala.
Ano mo nang sabi mo sa panalo number 3 na kayo?
Yun nga eh. Tapos well, ang goal naman talaga namin is to really this conference is to clinch top 6. Minimum top 6. At least makapaglaro kami ng best of 3. Bigger chance compared to twice to win. Or, well, maganda sana kung twice to beat, diba? But this is our situation right now. So, I mean, we're in a good situation. Sa number 3 kami. And we have a good momentum coming into the playoffs. Sayang lang medyo mapuputol, diba? Because of the All-Star. But again, thank you. But, well, that break naman again, yung sa All-Star naman, it's really to take a break and give the fans naman treat this coming weekend. But we cannot really take a break because playoffs is coming next week. So the good thing about it is may game pa kami ng Wednesday para makapag-refresh ulit and magkaroon ng game shape and be ready for the playoffs. So we'll just have to be ready. Ito yung sinabi ni Coach, we just have to do whatever it takes in practice para maging ready kami for playoffs.
Medyo mahirap yung Northport kalabanin niyo sa Wednesday after the All-Star break. So paano niyo gagawin?
Yun nga eh, the scheduling kasi isa yata kami sa pinakamaraming papadala sa All-Star eh. 7 yata kami total. Tama ba? 7 nga ba? 7. So, and major minutes pa yung karamihan. So yun nga yung concern ni Coach Tim. So, well, that's part of the challenge sa amin this week. So we'll do what we can just to stay in shape and stay focused going to the playoffs. Dito na kami. Ito yung goal namin. We cannot let down. We still have our chance to get this championship. So hindi kami pwede mag-let down just because of this All-Star break.
Wala kayong plano mag-relax sa Wednesday na game?
Wala. We don't actually, pwede nga kaming gawin namin this game, diba? So, but we cannot do that, especially going to the playoffs. May karma eh, diba? So we just have to we really just have to play hard and play our game. Whatever happens, kung mas desperate yung kalaban namin, we just have to play our game and be ready for the playoffs. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Good night.